Let's learn how to save a video from CapCut to the gallery. If you've edited a video in CapCut and don't know how to save it to your phone, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the CapCut app. Once you've opened CapCut, you'll be on the home screen where the videos you've edited in CapCut are displayed. If you want to export one of those videos, click on the video you want. If you want to add a new one to edit, click on New Project. A screen will open with all the videos from your gallery. On that screen, find the video you want to import into CapCut to edit. When you find it, click on it. After clicking on the video, click on the blue Add button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you click it, a screen will open where you can edit the video. When you want to export the video, click on the arrow located in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking the arrow, the video will start exporting. When the export is finished, a screen will open where you can post that video to TikTok if your TikTok and CapCut accounts are linked. If you don't want to do that, just click on the Done option in the top right corner. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.